Hello everyone, good to have you back again. This is the second part of our lesson, converting metric units of measure. Our topic again is converting metric units of measure, part 2. Before we go into our lesson, let's take a look at our fluency practice. In our fluency practice, we'll be looking at converting units. So let's convert these units. In the last lesson, we said 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So let's do this together now. 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now 1,000 meters is what? Yes, 1 kilometer. And how many meters? 0 meter. Let's go to number 2. 2,500 meters will give you how many kilometers? Yes, 2 kilometers. And how many meters? 500 meters. Let's go to number 4. Hope you are writing it down. Okay. 9,500 meters will give you how many kilometers? Yes, 9 kilometers. And how many meters? 500 meters. Let's go to number 5. 7,250 meters will give you how many kilometers and how many meters? Quickly write it down on your notes now. Okay, so it will give us how many kilometers? 7 kilometers and what? Yes, 250 meters. Okay, now let's go to our lesson now. We are going to be working together in this lesson. I'll do one, you do the other. Then I'll do one, you do the other. We are going to be working together. So you will record your answer and send it through the notes and questions below. And if you have other questions, you can also ask through the notes and questions below. Okay, now let's go to what we have now. Find the equivalent measures. We are going to be converting these metric units. The first one is 2 kilograms, 700 grams. We change to smaller unit, 2,000 grams and 700 grams. Add them together, you get 2,700 grams. 2B, now let's go to C. 29 kilograms, 58 grams. Change 29 kilograms to gram. Change 29 kilograms to gram, which is 29,000. Good. And 58 grams. Add the two together, you get 29,058 grams. We do D, so let's go back to E. 66,597 grams. Change to kilogram and gram. The first one is 66, which is 66 kilograms and 597 grams. So we have 66 kilograms, 597 grams. Okay, so do and submit. Now let's go to this next one. Express the answer in smaller units. Smaller units. 27 kilograms, 547 grams plus 694 grams. So we are going to add them up. They will convert to smaller units. 27 kilogram, 547 gram plus 694 gram. Let's add our numbers together. 7 plus 11 carry 1. Then we have 14 carry 1. We have 12. 1,241 gram. Then we have 0 kilogram. Since we are not giving a kilogram, there is 0, so 27 kilogram. Now remember, 1,000 gram is 1 kilogram, so minus 1,000, you are left with 241 gram. Then the 1,000, you add it to your 27, okay? 27 plus 1 will give you 28 kilogram. Okay? That is 28 kilogram. 241 gram. Remember, we are asked to convert to smaller units. 27 kilogram. We are asked to convert it to smaller units. So we are going to convert the answer to smaller units. 28 kilogram will give you what? Say it again. Yes. 28 kilogram will give you 28,000 gram plus your 241 gram. Add them together. You get what? 28,241 gram. Good. Okay, we are going to take a look at another example. Express in smaller unit, 16 kilogram plus 2,800 gram. We are asked to express in smaller unit, which is 16 kilogram. We give you how many grams? 16,000 grams. Good. We already have gram there, so we are not changing that. So we have 16,000 gram plus 2,800 grams. Add them together. 0, 0, 8, 8, and 1. 18,800 grams. Okay, yes, that is an answer. Smaller units, which is gram. So that is an answer. Now let's take a look at this. A bag of potato and a bag of onions combined weigh 11 kilogram, 15 gram. If the bag of potato weighs 7 gram, 7 kilogram, 300 gram, how much does the bag of onion weigh? Yes, the bag of potato weigh, well, we're going to be using a tape diagram. A tape diagram. So the combined weight of potato and onions using the tape diagram. So the combined weight is 11 kilogram, 15 grams. So we are giving the weight of potato. The weight of potato is what? 7 kilogram, 300 grams. So we are asked to look for onion. So I'm going to look for the weight of the onions, the bag of onions. So we are going to subtract. I'm going to subtract. So we have 11 kilogram, 15 gram. We change. Yes, minus 7 kilogram, 300 gram. So you have to subtract to get the weight of the onion. Remember, you cannot minus 300 from 15. You have to go borrow from 11 kilogram. You have to borrow 1 from 11. You're left with 10. Now, the one you borrowed from 11 kilogram become 1,000 gram because 1 kilogram will give you 1,000 gram. Okay, so now you have 1,015 gram minus 300. Now let's take a look at this. We're going to minus these two numbers. 1,015 gram minus 300. Okay, 5 minus 0, yes, 1. You have 7. Yes, our answer is 715 gram. Then 10 minus 7 will give you what? 3 kilogram. Yes. So when you subtract your potato from the total you have there of potatoes and onions, and you get your onion. So the bag of onion weigh 3 kilogram, 715 gram. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay at home and stay safe. Bye.